Dr. Hari Ippanopoulos is a financial services professional with over 30 years of experience, working in different roles with major Wall Street banks, Credit Suisse, Merrill Lynch, BlackRock, and Bank of New York Mellon. He is a visionary and entrepreneur, keynote speaker, mentor, and philanthropist with a passion for healthcare, education, and the environment. Dr. Hari Ippanopoulos is the founding chairman of the Lead India Foundation, which is founded with the inspiration of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India, with the mission to provide affordable quality healthcare, affordable quality education, preserve and protect the planet for future generations, develop spiritual families to establish peace and harmony in the society, and finally transform youth into responsible citizens and engage them into developing the nation. Now let's welcome Dr. Hari Ippanopoulos to deliver his address.
You're on the mute, Dr. Hari, sorry.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for inviting me for this August gathering of the first global webinar of AICUM. I've been myself associated with the AICUM from the beginning, thanks to Dr. Dakshinamurthy, uncle of Sai Lakshmi, who introduced me to AICUM, and I worked very closely with Nilima to set up this foundation, and I'm very happy to see that the growth of the organization with 20 chapters around all over the US, and also connecting each chapter with a district adaptation, which is very amazing work Dr. Nilima and her team did. Very congratulations to all the people who are involved in promoting AICUM. And again, congratulations to Dr. Sai Lakshmi for her vision and also her dedication to sacrifice her life to transform the lives of many children and mothers. Again, friends, good morning and good afternoon and good evening, because we have people from all over the world. And friends, the COVID-19 pandemic continued to impact the lives of millions of people around the world and the global healthcare, education, economy, and employment due to restricted mobility. Again, the UNESCO estimated about 1.5 billion students around the world are affected since their schools and colleges are closed. If you look at today's numbers around the world, about 46.5 million people are affected, and over almost over 1.2 million people are dead, and especially in the US, over 9 million people affected and 236,000 people. In India, about 8.1 million people, 122,000 people dead. So these are the numbers, very mind-boggling and very scary numbers. AICUM is playing a key role in providing the PPE kits, as well as providing all the related guidance for protecting themselves from the COVID pandemic. Again, I would like to sincerely thank AICUM for doing such a wonderful job. Again, the pandemic has created an opportunity and an undeniable challenge as well. This may require partnerships between institutions of developed and developing countries to share knowledge and resources, and AICUM is an example of such partnerships. Again, Dr. Sai Lakshmi was referring to United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and the goal number 3 happens to be good health and well-being. And to achieve these 17 sustainable goals, SDGs, by 2030 requires partnerships of governments, private sector, civil societies, and citizens alike to make sure we leave a better planet for future generations to live. United Nations projected that it requires about $5 to $7 trillion annual investment to implement the Sustainable Development Goals. As you all know, the pandemic has really impacted the global economy, and the countries will not have the money to support the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. And it's time for us, like AICUM Foundation and the corporations like Johnson & Johnson and other NGOs and individuals like all of you who contributed to this cause, have to partner to make sure that we do not leave this planet with unhealthy conditions or unlivable conditions. So we still have about close to 1.3 billion people live in multidimensional poverty. About 1.6 billion people live in fragile healthcare settings. That's where AICUM is focusing on. And every 2 seconds, someone aged 30 to 70 dies prematurely from non-communicable diseases. and over 103 million youth worldwide lack basic literacy skills, and more than 60% of them are women. So these are the number of things that are happening in the world. So the Lead India Foundation is humbly making an attempt to bring the stakeholders to collaborate and work together by organizing Sustainable Inclusive Development Challenges and Opportunities Conference, focusing on healthcare, education, environment, peace and harmony, economy, employment, and empowerment of youth and women. We recently did one global webinar over 37.25 hours, traveled over 47 countries digitally, and established chapters of LEAD Foundation around the world to collaborate partnerships to promote the Sustainable Development Goals in providing affordable quality healthcare, education, environment, peace and harmony, economic development, and employment generation for women, youth, by partnering with NGOs, governments, large corporations, heads of states, and share the problems and possible solutions. And Lead India also launched an innovation challenge for providing solutions for these 7 different areas. And if you could visit www.leadindia.us and submit your idea, and we will be able to coordinate with the like-minded corporations, NGOs, and government agencies to fund your idea to take that into a product or a service to implement on the ground. And we are proud to have associated with AICUM right from the inception, and will continue to do so to roll out some of the best practices of AICUM to other parts of the world as well. So I would like to again thank each and every one of you. And because of your support, AICUM is able to provide the necessary care for the children and mothers in India. And also the kind of support you provided during COVID-19 in the US is amazing. And again, congratulations and the best wishes to all of you. And please stay safe and continue to provide this humanitarian service as needed. And your motivation and inspiration goes a long way. And looking at the numbers, I think the amount of work AICUM has done in the last 7 years is amazing. Congratulations and kudos to all of you. Thank you so much.